Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Emma. Ready for the English exam? I think so.
Good morning, class. Where is Daniel? Daniel is absent.
That's unusual. His bag is still here. Something feels wrong. Wait, what is it? A note. Read it. It says, "Don't look for me." Is this Daniel's writing? No, it's different. Someone wrote this. We need more clues. Look here. A blue stain. Printer ink. Interesting. The footprints stop here. Look at the locker. It's open. Someone was here. Did you see Daniel?
Yes, early this morning.
Was he alone?
No, someone was with him.
Let's check the cameras.
Good idea.
There, Daniel. Who's that?
Zoom in. I see a badge. It's the science lab. Let's go.
The door is open. Be careful.
Emma!
Help! Daniel! Daniel, where are you?
I'm here.
We found you. Are you okay?
I wasn't hiding.
Then what happened?
I followed a strange sound.
Really? What's inside? Look! A small kitten! It was trapped.
Thank you, everyone. I'm sorry.
You did the right thing. Kindness always wins.
Daniel wanted to help.
He made a brave choice. I'm sorry for worrying everyone. Always stay calm. Never judge too quickly. Find the truth first.
Repeat after me. Disappear. Clue. Evidence. Truth. Repeat these sentences. Stay calm. Look for clues. Always tell the truth.
Did you solve the mystery? Tell us below. See you next time. Goodbye.